Want to see how I carve this alphabet? Stick around. Standard chainsaw font using all saw. I've never actually done this. I'll probably learn a thing or two about letters that we never carve. Every letter in welcome is carved many times. Carving in some white pine. Already pre-marked the lines. Got a couple of jerks. That should hold it in real nice. You always want to get your screws really close to where you'll be cutting. That way you increase your odds of hitting it with your saw. Alright, A for Albert. I wish that left more room on the floor to carve a wide letter. X for you got Y for YouTube. And Z for Zip Zap RC Cars. If you're carving a sign at a show, this is how you do it. Sometimes they get a little bit more elaborate. I'll go through and clean all this up. And you can either hit it with spray paint and go over it with a grinder. I can show you that in a little bit. So this one time I'm at this carving show and a lady came up to me and she said, "Hey, can you show my kids something?" Because I was taking a break and not carving. So I started carving on this welcome bear. And I was like, oh, I'll do the lettering because that's really quick. It'll be interesting. Teach them a thing or two. And so I'm carving, and then they walk away after a little while. I was like, okay, that's pretty standard. Then my mom walks up to me, and she's like, you know you spelled welcome instead of welcome? And yeah, so here I think I'm, being educational, and that lady's probably just like, okay, I need to get my children away from this. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it.